Be thou my vision, O Lord of my heart. Lord, be all else to me save that thou art.
I have beside me here Tom O'Loughlin, the Managing Director of Adam Security Limited. Tom specialises in the installation of commercial security and fire systems. Tom has been a tremendous supporter of charities over the years, including the Simon Community, the Vincent de Paul, the Order of Malta Night Run, and of course our own charity, the Peter McVerry Trust. So I'm delighted to receive from Tom and thank him very much for his cheque for €650, which he is now going to present to me. Tom has also bought 10 of the calendars, which contributes a further €100 towards our work. So Tom, thank you very much indeed for your support. I very much appreciate it.
Thank you, Father Peter, on behalf of Adam Security. On behalf of Adam Security, I'd like to present you with this cheque for €650 for all the fantastic work you do for the homelessness. And I wish you really well, especially in these troubling, tough times.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'd also like to thank a few other people. There's a very generous anonymous donor who's known to him, and he has contributed €1,000. So thank you to that person. I don't know. I'd also like to thank Joey Moore, the Managing Director of SSC Construction Limited, for his contribution of €250. SSC Construction Limited, they've been in business for a long time. They specialise in the design and build of commercial, residential and civil engineering projects and provide employment for a large number of people. I wish Joey and his team at SSC Construction all the best for the future and thank them for their kind contribution of €250. I'd also like to mention John Barrett, Managing Director of McLaughlin Road Markings Limited, that are known as Mac Roads, for his generous donation of €250. As the name suggests, John's company specialises in the design and layout of line markings on car parks, motorways and national roads. Both John and Eamon here, who produced the 2021 calendar, have been great friends for over 20 years now. So a big thank you to John and his team at Mac Roads for their generosity. I'd also like to thank Anthony Gannon, Managing Director of Eris Contracts Limited. Anthony bought 330 calendars, which contributed €300 towards our work with homeless people. Like John Barrett, Anthony has been friends with Eamon for a very long time. And Eamon tells me he's honoured to be friends with John Barrett and Anthony Gannon. So I'd like again to thank the team of Priority Construction Limited. Initially, they gave us a grant of €1,000, and many of their staff, including Christina, Niall, Nadia, Dan, Ken, Pat, Owen and Garvin, all bought large numbers of calendars, which contributes to our work with homeless people. So I'm now pleased to say that this calendar that Eamon has produced has raised €5,000 for our work so far, and it has raised a further €1,000 for the Vincent de Paul in Derrybeg in County Donegal. So thank you very much to everyone who has contributed to our work and to everyone who has bought a calendar. We appreciate very much your support and help, which is badly needed at this time. So anyone who hasn't bought a calendar, please go and contact him, get a calendar. Not only will you be providing a wonderful gift for family and friends, perhaps abroad, who will not be able to return at Christmas, but you will also be supporting our work with homeless people.